San Diego, this is your Fox 5 News.
Time now for a look at your health, and we have a facial treatment today live on television. In fact, in the time it takes you to watch our newscast tonight, you'll get to see the before and after of an anti-aging treatment that doesn't involve any needles, yay, or surgery, double yay. Here is Dr. Mitchel Goldman from UCSD once again to explain what is called Thermage, and Cindy is here and Lisanne is performing this procedure. So as they're working away, tell me what this is.
What Thermage is this is actually a newer form of an old treatment called Thermage. What it does is it produces a deep heating under the skin. What that does is it tightens your existing collagen to sort of give you that non-surgical facelift, and it promotes your body to develop new collagen to take care of some of the fine lines and wrinkles.
So it's kind of a stimulating tool?
It stimulates new collagen formation, but it actually contracts the collagen you have to cause your body to replace it and make better collagen.
How dramatic results should we expect?
Well, we're going to see pretty good results. It's usually perfect for the patient that sits in front of the mirror who's maybe 40 years old or so and just gives herself a little bit of lift like this. And when they're giving themselves a little bit of lift in the mirror and they go, should I do a facelift or not? That's when you do this. This is not replacing facelifts, but it's basically buying time 10, 20 years before you actually need to undergo surgical procedures.
And I noticed that you can go really close to the eyes where a lot of those fine lines start forming.
Yes, absolutely. You can go right up to the eyes, and then you go up to the eyebrows, and what that will do is when you contract the forehead, it actually will lift the eyes up a little bit as well.
Is this better than Botox, or just
It's totally different. Botox basically paralyzes or softens muscles. What this does is generates new collagen and contracts existing collagen.
Let me ask the patient how you're feeling, Cindy.
Oh, fine. Feeling good.
You feeling any pain?
No, not at all.
What do you feel?
Just kind of like a heat, just kind of like in pin pulses, but it doesn't hurt at all.
And tell me what your hopes are with this procedure.
I'm just hoping that I look a little refreshed, not as tired, and maybe kind of in the jaw area and in the eye area to just lift it up a little bit.
I can't wait to see those results. Now, I'm going to ask Dr. Goldman because she looks like she's been playing the game Tron on her face. So tell me what this this grid is all about on her face.
We put a grid on so that Lisanne can actually know exactly where to put the Thermage instrument. Okay. And what we do is we want to be exact with it. We want to treat every area properly. And what we'll see is Lisanne will be able to take that Tron grid off in just a millisecond.
Okay, and how long should this last, this procedure, the results that you get?
You know, we can't know for sure because this is the newest generation of the Thermage, but usually I tell patients plan on 3 to 5 years, and the reason it's only 3 to 5 years is because you're 3 to 5 years older. I can't stop the clock.
Oh, come on.
I'll try, but I can turn it back.
Come on. Shoot for the moon. And how much does this cost, and how does it compare to a facelift?
Well, facelifts, as you know, can run anywhere from $10,000 to $20,000 or so.
Okay.
And depending on where you get this done, it's in the $2,200, $2,500 range.
And it's one procedure, no needles, no surgery.
See, that's the best thing. Unlike other procedures, it's one time. Okay. And then it doesn't have to be only on the face. We can use it on the abdomen, especially for lots of wrinkles after pregnancy. We can use it on the arms, on the knees, so it can be used off the face as well.
All right, well, while Lisanne works away and Cindy relaxes, waiting for the big reveal, we want to let our viewers know that Cindy's skin is going to be revealed, the one side of her face, in about 20 minutes later on the newscast, so Lauren will be able to actually compare on live television the results.
Very cool. Very cool. Well, now that we've seen Lisanne look so many years younger, which she will, she probably wants some extra money, right? Who doesn't? How to turn passion into profit.
And it promises smoother skin and fewer wrinkles. In minutes, we're revealing the results of an anti-aging treatment done live on TV. Did it work? Stick around. All right, welcome back. Earlier in the newscast, we showed you a live cosmetic procedure on the air, and now you can see the results live as well. So Dr. Mitchel Goldman is back with his patient, Cindy, to show us the single skin treatment called Thermage and walk us through what happened here. So let's look at the before and after. Tell me about which side is the before and which is the after. Can you tell?
Well, we all basically saw that this was the side that we were doing, and you can see her eyebrow is slightly elevated. She's lost a lot of the gel. Her neck is tighter. The skin takes on a smoother appearance. And this is an immediate effect. It's not just swelling. This is actually collagen tightening. And what will happen over the next 3 to 6 months is she'll actually start to develop new collagen that will make this effect even better and last for 3 to 5 years.
Remarkable. So, Cindy, what do you think?
I really noticed a difference, especially on the different sides. If you look at it in the mirror, this side is much tighter and much nicer here, and I think it's going to get better.
Would you do it again?
Oh, absolutely.
All right, and Lizanne, it was your magic fingers that did the work here. Tell us exactly what you did and what it was that, well, just tell us how you did it.
Well, it's radio frequency is the form of energy, which goes down and stimulates the collagen to grow. So it was very simple. I just did a couple different passes over the area and did some vectors to kind of create some definition along the certain areas around the eyes, the cheekbones, the jawline, and I basically just...
And I would assume every face is different, so you approach it a little differently?
Absolutely. I look at each patient, and then I decide what's going to be best for that patient and customize the treatment.
Wow, that was interesting. So this should last, you said, anywhere from 3 to 5 years. And when should she see that second boost of when collagen is starting to...
Between 3 and 6 months. And you know, Lizanne is being way too modest. Not only does it take an incredibly good machine like the Thermage PTT, but it also takes an incredibly good therapist. And Lizanne, being a physician assistant, is one of the best. And so it's not only the machine, it's also your healthcare provider.
And people of color can use this as well,
yes,
right?
This is a colorblind technique.
It's remarkable. Are you pleased with the procedure?
I am. I'm very pleased.
And it took about an hour's time. Do you think it was worth your time and money?
Oh, definitely. Much better than anything else I've come across.
And have you done other procedures before?
I have.
And how would you rate on a scale of 1 to 10 your satisfaction level?
I think a 10, and I think it's only going to get better, too.
Well, Cindy, you were a very generous spirit to come on and do this live. We sure appreciate it.
Thank you.
And Lizanne, thank you very much. And Dr.